Hello guys, this is Dr. Dilip, your faculty for internal medicine in PrepLadder NEET SS. I'm here to talk about some of the features of the brand new version 2.0. I would like to call the three important features I'm going to talk as the core features or probably the pillars of the version 2.0. The first one, of course, is going to be QBank. So to crack any exam in the world, any competitive exam in the world, you need a very powerful and a reliable QBank, and that's what exactly PrepLadder NEET SS version 2.0 brings you on table. A reliable, powerful, and a complete and comprehensive QBank which you can rely upon each and every time you prepare for. And if you can complete at least 80 to 90% plus of the QBank, there is an absolute surety that you can crack the NEET SS exam without any doubt. And there are a lot of things into the QBank apart from the quality of the questions and the accurate explanations that's been given. So you also get the previous year papers so that you can understand what areas are important and what areas are not. Plus, you also get a lot of mock tests, so which are going to mimic the real exam, so that you need not panic on the exam day when you see the actual exam questions. And to supplement the QBank, you have the video lectures, which is the second core feature. And video lectures have been designed in a manner to educate the students. Plus, apart from that, it is going to be precise, up to the point. Plus, at the same time, it's going to tell you a lot of high-yielding facts about a particular area. And the video bank is only going to get expanded more and more, and you're going to get more and more delightful videos in the future. Plus, there are a lot of new videos that's been added in the version 2.0 which you can go through, and you're going to absolutely love it. And the third core feature are the hard copy notes. I would say the USP of the version 2.0 is going to be the hard copy notes. So people who subscribe to the version 2.0 are going to get hard copy notes, which are going to form the reference standard for your NEET SS preparation. And what's stopping you? You have everything that you need to crack your NEET SS exam. Wish you all the very best.